Alright, so today on Tech Point 7.3, we have something called Merge 2. Alright, so some of this is review, some of this is new. It's not too difficult though. Alright, so you're going to see the document here. This is called Player Info. So that is one merge cell across the top. And then the one thing that is new, and I'm going to show you how to do this, is this has alternating colors in it. Alright, to help make this easily readable. This is a setting that is available in Google Sheets. Alright, and I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so we have the word, the text number, and then name, and then team, and then location. Those are all merged cells. So we have one big merge cell, and we have no merge, and then a merge of two cells, no merge, merge of two cells. Some numbers centered. First names, last names, all spelled correctly with capitals. Team names with capitals, cities, again capitals, and then state abbreviations centered. Across the top is Hammersmith size 24, Hammersmith 1 size 24. Everything else is Hammersmith 1 size 14. Alternating colors for a fill. You can pick whatever you want for that. And then in terms of color. And then borders or grid lines that are on. So again, here's another picture of that. So let me go here real quick here to sheet 2, and well, you can see one that I started there before. Let me go to another one that I started before. Let's go all the way to a new one here. So I'm not going to redo this whole thing, but I'm going to show you some of it. So A to F1, remember, don't start, sit and watch. A to F1, I'm going to highlight those. I'm going to hit my merge button right there, and that is going to merge those, and I'm going to type in player info. Alright, so quickly I type in player info. Now this did not center it automatically, so I do have to use my center button there to center that. Alright, I'm going to worry about my font sizes and styles in a little bit. So now I have number, name, team, and location. Alright, number, like so. Next one is merged. So I'm going to highlight two cells, merge them. Name, location, right? Was it number? Double check here. Team, and then location. Team, and finally the last two again merged. Location, and again center that, location, and center this, and I'm just gonna do whoops. Center that number, and so I'm just going to do probably the maybe top row. So 23 LeBron James, Lakers, Los Angeles. All right. So 2-3 LeBron James, Lakers, Los Angeles, CA. All right. So this centered, do not start, like so. This centered, everything Hammersmith. So I'm gonna just highlight these two because that's all I have. One Hammersmith 1 across the top, 14, like so. All right. I accidentally turned borders on that one. I'm gonna highlight this. And I'll go down and I will turn borders on what would be pretty much the whole thing. Like so. Now, coloring. So this is new. It's no big deal. Under your paint bucket, you will see you have not conditional formatting, but there's the next one down here. Unfortunately, that is not letting me see that. Alright. Hold on a second here. Let me pause my. Under your paint bucket, you have something called down here alternating colors. And you can see you have different styles that you can select for your alternating colors. Alright, in the sample one, you can see player info is not colored in. Player info is left white. The first, like the header, the first color that is colored in is row 2. So what I want to do is highlight what I want, and then I can pick, the header is on, right? And then I can pick whatever I want, and it will color those in with whatever colors that I want. All right, so like there's my header color, color 1, color 2, hit done, and that will color that in, or it should, but it did not. Let's try that again. There we go. And so you can see right now, those are two dark colors. If I wanted to do something different, I can do it like that. Or they have the pre-made ones like so, and I can do those. And again, hit done. And if you don't like it, you can hit remove. All right, so make sure that you are coloring alternating colors. So yours should look basically exactly like this, other than you can change the colors up. All right? Any questions? All right, so you may go ahead